Hello and welcome. As a hotel AI expert, I've seen a lot of change, but I'm here today to talk about what might be the biggest shift in digital travel, well, ever. I'm so pleased to welcome all of you, the students of Europe Hotel School, to this online learning journey. For your careers in hospitality, understanding this change isn't just a nice to have, it's absolutely essential. So let's explore the future that you're all about to start building.
All right, let's dive right in. To really get a handle on where we are going, we first have to understand where we've been. Digital travel didn't just happen overnight. It came at us in these big, powerful waves. And we are just now, right this moment, entering the third, and believe me, the most transformative wave yet. The first wave, which I'm sure we all remember, was the rise of the OTAs, the online travel agencies. That's what first brought hotels online in a big way. Then the second wave put all of that power right into our pockets with mobile apps, which made booking a hotel possible from literally anywhere. But this third wave, this is a whole different animal. We are now stepping into the era of the AI travel agent.
Now, what's so wild about this is the huge change in how people behave. For the last 20 years, what has booking travel looked like? It's meant scrolling and scrolling through endless lists, right? Applying filters, comparing dozens of tabs. The third wave just gets rid of all of that. It replaces it with a simple, natural conversation with an AI assistant like ChatGPT or Google Gemini.
This new approach is what we call conversational search, and it's so much more than a new search bar. Think of it as a personal travel agent for every single guest out there. These AIs are becoming the new front desk, the first point of contact that connects a traveler's very specific needs with what your hotel uniquely offers.
And I mean, just look at this. This query shows you the level of detail we're talking about. This isn't just someone typing hotel in London. No way. It's a super specific, multi-layered request. The guest doesn't want a list of 100 options to sort through. They want V1, single, perfect match. And the AI's entire job is to find it. Which brings us to the million-dollar question from our side of things, from the hotel's perspective. When a guest asks something this specific, how on earth does an AI sort through all the noise online to confidently say, here, this is the one hotel for you? The answer to that question changes absolutely everything about digital marketing as we know it.
So here's the bottom line. The old playbook, it's obsolete. For decades, we've all been focused on search engine optimization, SEO. But ranking number 3 on a list doesn't matter when there is no list. The new game, the new strategic imperative is AI optimization. It is a completely new discipline with a whole new set of rules and a totally different end goal.
Let's break this down a bit. The old way, SEO, was all about guessing the right keywords so you could rank high on a Google results page. AI optimization, on the other hand, couldn't care less about keywords. It's all about having deep, structured data that an AI can actually read and understand. The goal is no longer to be one of 10 blue links. The goal is to be the single verified answer to a guest's question. It's a shift from just being seen to being understood.
So the big question is, how do you actually get your hotel ready for an AI? Well, it really boils down to one single thing, and that's meticulously building and managing your hotel's digital footprint. This is the foundation for everything. In this new world, if your digital footprint is messy or incomplete, you are, for all intents and purposes, invisible.
Now, let's be super clear about what a digital footprint actually is. It is the sum total of all your hotel's data. And I don't just mean your name and address. I mean everything. Every amenity, every policy, the thread count of your sheets, every single item on your room service menu. And this data has to be complete, 100% accurate, and organized or structured in a way that a machine can easily read it and, this is the most important part, verify it across many different websites.
Getting AI ready isn't a one-and-done project. It involves 3 ongoing actions. First, you have to structure all of your data. That means getting it out of paragraphs and into clean, organized fields. Second, you have to make sure that data is perfectly accurate everywhere it appears online. A single wrong detail can break an AI's trust. And third, you have to push that clean data out to the entire digital ecosystem so the AI can confirm your information no matter where it looks.
So why go through all this trouble? Because when you do this right, it means that when that guest asks for a pet-friendly hotel with a great vegan menu, the AI doesn't have to guess. It can read your structured data, instantly verify your pet policy, parse your restaurant menu, and then confidently recommend your hotel as the perfect answer. It takes the guesswork out of it. And this all leads us to what is really the central theme of our entire conversation today. In this third wave of digital travel, your hotel's most valuable asset isn't your prime location or your beautiful lobby. It's your data. How you manage, structure, and share your data is going to directly determine your success in the years to come.
And let's be totally blunt about what's at stake. This is a yes or no situation. There's no second place, no honorable mention. If an AI travel agent cannot find and verify the specific piece of data it needs to answer a traveler's question, it won't just rank you lower, it will exclude you completely. You just won't show up. It's like you don't even exist.
So for you, as the future leaders of this amazing industry, what does this all mean? Well, the hotels that are going to win, the ones that will thrive in the next decade, are the ones who really get this. They will treat their data like the critical strategic asset it is. They will obsess over making every little detail readable by AI. And by doing so, they will win the trust of these new AI gatekeepers. And as a result, they're going to be the ones capturing the majority of travel decisions.
So, I'll leave you with one final thought to take with you. As you go forward in your careers, just remember this. In the age of AI, your hotel's data will be one of two things. It will either be your greatest asset, making you the obvious choice for the next generation of travelers, or it will be an invisibility cloak, hiding you from the most important conversation in travel. The choice, and the massive opportunity, is all yours.